Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2017 model Subaru Forester Premium, 2-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 58k kilometers mileage, well-maintained, panoramic sunroof, touchscreen display, push start, leather and power seat, cruise control, power tailgate, reverse camera, original spare key, all power, all stock, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 698,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 179,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2019 model MG ZS Alpha, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 41k kilometers mileage, first owned, casa maintained with records, plate ending 4, Android head unit, 360 camera, reverse camera ang sensors, leather seats, panoramic sunroof, push start, original spare key, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 568,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 120,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2023 model Toyota Corolla Altis GRS, 1.6-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission with paddle shifters, 17k kilometers mileage, first owner, registration until 2026, power and GR leather seats, backup camera, keyless entry, touchscreen head unit, cruise control, original spare key, luggage tray, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 1,018,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 155,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2016 model Ford Everest Titanium, top of the line, 3.2-liter turbo diesel engine, automatic transmission, 92k kilometers mileage, well-maintained, plate ending 4, 4-wheel drive, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, parking sensors, leather and power seats, infotainment system, reverse camera, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 898,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 205,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. (2018) model Toyota Innova E, 2.8-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 72k kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, ending plate 3, 7-seater, SRS airbag, steering wheel controls, touch screen head unit, original spare key, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 888,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 201,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2016) model Honda HRV, EL, top of the line, 1.8-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 60k kilometers mileage, first owner, casa maintained, full casa records, plate ending 5, keyless entry, econ button, with paddle shifter, cruise control, touch screen head unit, genuine leather seats, spare key fob, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 598,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 131,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.